guys, it's Charlie here from Code Academy, and I'm going to be doing a video on HTML coding. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So I'm going to be doing it on Mac. You can just follow this on anything as long as you've got a simple text edit program like Notepad. All notepads are fine. Notepad 3, just normal Notepad. Sorry if you hear him like drinking in the background. It's because I've got a dry throat. So let me just open a new file, and it should. Let me just edit the format. Sorry. So you want to probably do this and right. So what you want to do is you want to open up a couple of what they're called tags. Now tags are sort of like a sandwich in which your stuff goes within. So your main tag is the HTML tag. Within your HTML tag, I like to tab it in a bit. Maybe not that much. Let's just do double space. You have your head tag. Don't want to do that. Within your head tag, you have nothing at the moment because there is no need for anything at the moment. And to close a tag, you want to put a forward slash and then the name of the tag, so head. Now HTML is so straightforward because its tags are sort of all very simple. So you've got your body tag, and this is where the main bit of the code goes. And you want to close your body tag right here. So there's your, and then you want to close your main HTML tag. Now you've got your main tags, I'd suggest saving. So I'm gonna just save it here. I'd just save it as something like example. Something simple you can find. I'm gonna save it on my desktop so I can always find it, but you know, it's just, and you want to put .html in. That is very important, very, very important. And then here it will come up. So now if I open it on the web page, nothing will happen, which is very, very good. It means it's working. So now you want to go into your head tag. Now your head tag is sort of, if you have a sandwich, the HTML tags here and here are sort of the bread of it. And the head tag is almost the salad, as I'd say. It's sort of what you'd put within it, but not like the main bit. Now this, if you look at your web page, if you reopen it, is what it will say here. Now at the moment it says example. Now we want to change that so it doesn't just say example. To change that, you need to put a tag in here. Now as I said, it's very straightforward. So as you guess, its tag is the title tag. And you want to put, when you want to close the title tag with a forward slash, this happens with every single tag. And then within the title tag, you want to put your title. So this is the title. Now I'm typing this at normal speed so you will be able to sort of read it and type at the same time. So if you've saved it, there you go. This is the title. Now let's get into the main bit of our sandwich, which is our code. You can use, now if you want to start putting stuff in, you can use the H codes. Now the H codes stand for heading. Headings are sort of, headings are the sort of, I don't know what, the main text of it. Now H1 is the biggest. Then there's H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Now I'll probably speed this bit up, but I'll put all the H's in for you just to see, so you can see how it goes. So I'm back now. Let's minimize this and open the example. And there you go. You've got all your H's, all the way from H1 to H6. Now you look at this and you think, oh, it's all over there. and you want to try and centre it. Now, unfortunately, you probably do want to centre it, but this is the starting tutorial. So if you know all this already, and all I've gone through, then you probably want to skip ahead to the next tutorial, which should be out soon after this one, and I will be doing the font settings in it. But for now, we will have everything all over to the left, because it's the best side. So let's just get rid of those tags, and now let's make something more interesting. Now you can do something called an href, which should have references it across, but we're not going to do that at the moment. I'm going to do that in the later video as well. What I want to work on now is looking at some more tags. Now, I can show you the website where you can find your tags if you want to find some. So let's just go on and you can search up some tags. So you want to search up HTML tag reference. There we go. And you want to go into this reference, and here you go. This should be it. Here you go, and you've got lots of things. Now, I will put a link to this in the description, but here you go. Now, I'll talk you through quite a few of them if you'd like me to. There's the body tag. You've already covered all these H tags. The head tag, the header tag. Now that is HTML5, but this is sort of almost the same as some of the tags we will cover. I will cover all the tags I can do in normal HTML, just so I can give you the most out of what you want. Now, some very cool tags in here, like the TR and TH tags we'll cover later, because they are part of the table. Video tag, I think there's a different one you can put in. I'll be covering that later. I think it's you can label, you can put objects in. The opportunities are endless. Now, I'll put one up for Java code quite a bit later on, because at the beginning I'm not very good at Java code at the moment, so I'm learning it through the course. But what I want to do is show you some of these codes that I'll be covering later. I'll cover the address code. This is basically just like a href code, as I said earlier. You can sort of href anything you really want. BR codes I'll cover now for you. So I'll put this link in the description. Now, BR codes are break codes. So if we put in let's put in a H3 code in here, and then we're going to have before, and we're going to put now the thing with a BR code is you don't have to end a break. Now, what's that one? Don't worry. There's no point. And then after. So that should work. Let's save it up. Don't forget to save. Saving is the most important thing. Then if we open it, you've got before and after. Now, break codes are very useful for anything. Now, as you can see here, if you look here, you can see that it puts it on this line. It won't do as I did before and put them all biggest text here and lowest text here. because otherwise you could have a web page that has all your text down here when you want it to be up here. So that's a really useful thing, to be honest, for when you're coding big web pages and you want your text to be up there but smaller. And I think that about covers it for this video. Hope to see you again. Please like and subscribe. If you want to know any more things, or you've got answered questions you need, either comment or there should be a link to our help email. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.